Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the ZMARKRAFT brand clip-on sofa arm tray. We're going to open this up, we're going to show you what it looks like, we're going to clip it on and try it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So as we get this box open, let's see, almost looks like a cutting board. Looks nice, very nice, comes with a little bit of wrapping stuff, so we'll remove that real quick. Now this is felt underneath. Turn that off. And as you can see from there, this is going to open up and also have felt. Now you'll see these are springs, so it will close right back up once you get it onto the arm. And there's a little bit of a edging here, so your glass or whatever will not fall off of that. So just as you can kind of tell. So let's put it on an arm and show you how it works. All right, so what you're going to do is find yourself a sofa arm and then open it up and drop it on. Now it still moves a little bit, so don't think that you can't spill stuff or anything like that, but overall it's a pretty nice tight fit. And so very simply, can be used as a armrest for your remote, glasses, drink, whatever you're looking for, put a bowl of chips. Just a nice way to kind of have a flattened edge to a round arm sofa. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.